Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into the Microsoft account you'll use for subscriptions. This link saves, purchases, and progress. Once signed in, pick a game past tier, console, PC, or Ultimate, because each unlocks different libraries and cloud features. Make sure your device has the latest OS update and a steady connection. 5+ Mbps works for downloads, but aim higher for cloud play. Now, open the Xbox app or the console store to start the subscription purchase flow and follow prompts to add payment. Once you've subscribed, you explore the Game Pass catalog, filter by platform and sort by new or popular to find titles fast. You should queue installs strategically. Start large games first because they take longer and prioritize what you'll play soonest. If storage is tight, attach an external SSD to consoles or change the PC install location so large AAA titles don't block updates. Also, enable background downloads and let the app manage updates. This keeps games ready when you are. Now you play. Launch installed games or use Cloud Play if you have Ultimate. Streaming reduces install time but depends on low latency, so test with a short session first. If a game you expect isn't available, verify your subscription tier and region because catalog rights vary. Make sure your billing and region settings match. If you run into problems, clear the app cache, reboot the console or PC, and reinstall the Xbox app. When all else fails, contact Xbox support with error codes for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.